Greetings of the day. Today we are here to present our IoT project named as Autonomous Car. The project consists of three members, Marshall Panigre, Onkar Patil, and myself, Jiten Patel. Autonomous car is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with a little or no human input. In this project, we have demonstrated how autonomous car works. Before having a deep dive into the project, let me introduce with the hardware components which we have used to create one. So the components are Arduino Uno 3, which will control, which is basically a microcontroller which will control our autonomous car. Hobby gear motor, H-bridge motor driver, which is mounted on an Arduino board, and control and H-bridge driver, bridge motor driver control the gear motor, which is 9-volt battery to power our autonomous car. Ultrasonic and the last component, ultrasonic sensor, is used for sensing the distance between car and an object. Now the circuit diagram as well as the code will be explained by my teammate Onkar.
Greetings everyone. So I'll be explaining circuit diagram. We have used Tinker simulation to make this simulation, Tinker simulator. So here we have used two motors. Here gear motor, left one and the right one. Then where left motor is connected to the first and second output of this H-bridge motor driver. Inputs of the motor driver comes from the digital pins. Here the inputs of this motor driver comes from the digital input pins of the Arduino board. Then at ultrasonic sensor trigger pin, which is input pin of the ultrasonic sensor, is connected to the digital pin number 12 of Arduino board. Echo pin, which is output of the ultrasonic sensor, is connected to a digital pin number 13 of Arduino board. Circuit is powered by 9-volt battery. Now let's see how the Arduino board is programmed. Here is how Arduino board is programmed. We have used C language to program the board. As you can see the function void setup, the first function here, void setup, it sets the input output pins of a board. And we have forward function which helps car to move forward direction in the forward direction. Similarly, we have a stop function to stop the car, left function to keep left motor running, right function to keep right motor running. Now here in the sense function, sensor. Next in the loop function, depending on the calculated distance, car will move accordingly. Now we will run the simulation, which will be explained by our group member Marshall.
Thank you, Ankar. Greetings, everyone. So now let's begin with the simulation. As you can see currently, the distance of the object is more than specified range, that is more than 50 centimeters. Therefore, both the motors are running. Uh, Ankar, uh, now, as we bring the object closer to the ultrasonic sensor, there is no there is no change in motor speed. But as object comes closer than 50 centimeter, motor suddenly stops running and as the object is be, uh, closer than 50 centimeter, the left motor runs backward to take the turn to change its path in order to go past the object. So as you all can see, the right motor stops and the left motor runs backward to change the direction. Uh, Now we will see the implemented version of our autonomous car. So please can you play the video, Onkar? Uh, as you can see, the implemented version of the autonomous car. It goes near the object. When it comes near the range is 50 centimeter, the motor changes the direction and the object is avoided. This was for part. Thank you.
This is about our simulation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.